मिल जो है पाकिस्तान स्टील मिल अब तक एक्यूमुलेटेड लॉसेस 206 अरब रुपया हो चुका है। 206 अरब रुपया एंड काउंटिंग। नहीं नहीं, मैं आप फैक्चुअल नहीं है। मैं जब ये बात कर रहा हूँ कि अपील की जरूरत क्यों है।
Please do not respond to every interjection. I cannot complete your sentence even.
इसकी 206 अरब रुपए का नुकसान हो चुका है 30 जून 2022 तक एंड काउंटिंग।
Basically, you are saying as a consequence of the actions of the Supreme Court in exercise of 184 jurisdiction. Is this the point you're making?
Yes. और उसका रिव्यू 2006 में
I don't know why we are so reluctant to hear the truth. I mean, let us.
2006 में उसका रिव्यू फाइल हुआ। 2006 में रिव्यू फाइल हुआ उस जजमेंट का।
आप बढ़ते रहिए चलें। हाँ।
This should not be a charge sheet against the Supreme Court.
It's not, but it is a fact. 2006 में उसका रिव्यू फाइल हुआ सर, और वो रिव्यू 2013 में रिजेक्ट हुआ 7 साल बाद। उस वक्त तक वो कलअदम हो चुका है और उसके बाद एक सो मोटो भी आ गया। दूसरा इंस्टेंस है रेकोडेक का।
पहले जरा काइंडली इसकी रेलेवेंस बताइए।
इसकी रेलेवेंस सर मैं इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ
कंट्रोवर्सी एंड टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी और अदरवाइज ऑफ दिस एक्ट।
मैं आपको सर ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि दिस इज इन रिलेशन टू द एक्सरसाइज एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट necessitated providing for this appeal constitutionality.
Were these cases discussed in Parliament because you haven't provided us the reports, or is this your personal opinion?
This is something which has happened over the years.
No, it may have happened. Nobody's going to get into that. The question is, were these cases discussed in Parliament? Were they discussed? Did they form the basis of why this law had to come? Because that's what we are hearing this case.
By referring the cases from Tamizuddin Khan case, वहाँ से लेके तमाम ये नुसरत भुट्टो केस और फिर ये रेकोडेक केस और सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार केस और ये फिर अकामा केस जो है और फिर ये हुदैबिया केस सारे लेके आप हमें ये चार्जशीट करना चाह रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इन तमाम को देखने के बाद जो कॉम्पिटेंस नहीं थी उसने लॉ बना दिया और अब हम उसे लेजिटिमेट कर दें। You want to invoke us the doctrine of necessity to legitimate this law?
No, sir. No, sir. To the contrary.
I think that you are Mr. Attorney General. I think हमें थोड़ा सा हौसला रखना चाहिए सुनने के लिए तनकीद. I don't think you use the word charge sheet.
I have not.
You are simply stating a fact, and we should have the patience to hear your submissions. Your submission is from what you have just commenced by stating that 184.3 may have done some very good work as well, but 184.3's consequences have also been, I don't want to use the word disastrous, but maybe not so good. So you're just stating that Parliament does not have to mention each and every case, but this is the cumulative understanding. I mean, you don't have to spell out everything. Tamizuddin Khan was not 184.3, etc., but these cases were. So you are just stating a fact, and we should be sort of have the wherewithal to accept it. I mean, we were a council at some stage, and we are judges now, and we are citizens always. So if someone is stating a historical fact to build the argument why 184.3 may have been given a right of appeal, so let us hear him with patience. And if you don't agree with that, by all means write judgments whichever you want to, but at least please continue. I mean, otherwise we'll be forever. I mean, you didn't do this thing. You are saying we did it, and you're just pointing, showing us the mirror. Fine, I have no problem to show me a mirror about all the judgments I have passed which are wrong. I have absolutely no problem. I would say thank you. I may learn from it and I won't commit the same error or mistake again. So please proceed.
Mr. Attorney General, the question still remains, which I've already put before you, whether the court did good or whether the court did bad, and beauty may lie in the eye of the beholder, and there may be people who say this was good and that was bad and that was not so good and that was not so bad, and we can carry on ad nauseum. This is not a debating society. We're not sitting here to receive a public lecture from you, sir. You are Attorney General. Kindly tell us what is...
If there was a remedy of appeal.
Sawal sun le.
If there was a remedy of appeal.
What does that have to do with the...
These consequences could have been averted.
बात तो सुन ले ना. What does that have to do with the legislative competence of the
I
right
have,
of
as I
appeal?
stated, my lord, I've already
Agar-
made
agar
submissions to it.
legislative-
I am referring to what yesterday
Mr. Attorney
Justice
General, if
Hilali.
there is legislative competence, तो
My
बात
lord-
खत्म हो गई।
जी।
आप हमें ये
ये
दर्ज क्यों दे रहे
नेसेसिटेट
हैं?
ये इसलिए जरूरी है सर कि
आप
ये
हमें-
आपके पास अभी नॉट लॉन्ग
ये क्या
अगो
बात है?
रेकोडिक के ऊपर अंडर 186
sir.
you had to come and
I'm
protect
sorry.
what had happened.
Then the question that my learned colleague has asked you, that becomes relevant. आप हमें बात कीजिए legislative competence की।
Legislative
आप हमें
competence-
कन्विंस कर कीजिए कि आपके मुताबिक आप कह दें जी वो सब गलत कह रहे हैं, बात खत्म हो गई, I don't have to do anything, onus lies on them. You kindly tell us about legislative
मैं कल
competence.
जस्टिस हिलाली ने एक कमेंट किया
इतना
था,
kindly stop
एक
करें।
ऑब्जर्वेशन थी उनकी, उन्होंने कहा कि 184(3 जब एक्सरसाइज हुआ है तो उसके consequences
Mr. Attorney General,
But
I've been a
let's- I can
counsel,
move on.
I've been a counsel more years than I've been a judge. And I would always prefer that the judges let me complete my submissions. They may not accept my submissions, hear my submissions, and discard my submissions. But certainly your right of making a submission, I think, otherwise we don't need to give you a notice, we can decide the matter ourselves. So please proceed in your own way.
while concluding my
दो
submission,
चीजें देख लेते हैं जी। ये तो यहाँ तक everyone agrees that there were certain issues regarding 184 which agitated or which disturbed the executive and the parliament. Fine. Point taken. Second point, the law that you enacted, that law, everyone agrees कि ठीक है, law में कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है, बाज यहाँ होगी, लेकिन वो law, no one said कि ये law जो है ये किसी तरीके से infringe कर रहा है आपके fundamental rights को as such, directly. असली जो मेन चीज आपने एड्रेस करनी है वो है उस लॉ की आपकी जो लीगल कॉम्पिटेंस है, उस लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, आप प्लीज उस पे आ जाए।
My lord, I'll come to the question that you had raised before the
आप अपने
proceedings.
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करें।
My lord, I have
माय
submitted-
क्वेश्चन टेक इट एट द एंड, पहले अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स खत्म करें, लाइक द चीफ जस्टिस जस्ट सेड कि भाई पहले उनको तो बोलने दें, आप जो आप बोलना चाहते हैं प्लीज बोल।
बल्कि सारे क्वेश्चन का जवाब आप बाद में दे दें पहले।
That the judges let me complete my submissions. They may not accept my submissions, hear my submissions, and discard my submissions. But certainly your right of making a submission, I think, otherwise we don't need to give you a notice, we can decide the matter ourselves. So please proceed in your own way.
While concluding my
दो
submission,
चीजें देख लेते हैं जी। ये तो यहाँ तक everyone agrees that there were certain issues regarding 184 which agitated or which disturbed the executive and the parliament. Fine. Point taken. Second point, the law that you enacted, that law, everyone agrees कि ठीक है, law में कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है, बाज यहाँ होगी, लेकिन वो law, no one said कि ये law जो है ये किसी तरीके से infringe कर रहा है आपके fundamental rights को as such, directly. असली जो मेन चीज आपने एड्रेस करनी है वो है उस लॉ की आपकी जो लीगल कॉम्पिटेंस है, उस लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, आप प्लीज उस पे आ जाए।
My lord, I'll come to the question that you had raised before the
आप अपने
proceedings.
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करें।
My lord, I have
माय
submitted-
क्वेश्चन टेक इट एट द एंड, पहले अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट्स खत्म करें, लाइक द चीफ जस्टिस जस्ट सेड कि भाई पहले उनको तो बोलने दें, आप जो आप बोलना चाहते हैं प्लीज बोल।
बल्कि सारे क्वेश्चन का जवाब आप बाद में दे दें पहले।